last time many of our members had proposed certain things. I think our airport director, most of the things they have already solved.
सर
See, आम्ही मागताय की हे शिफ्ट जातले कोच न्ही and that's why सरकारान आणि एअरपोर्टानूय डिसिजन घेतला आणि लँडिंग पडे चार्जीस बाजीस आहाय ते देंवयले कळ्ळें तुका सो देन इट इज depending on every individual airlines because after all they are private agencies, they want certain facilities, maybe some of them go there, and we are requesting Government of India to see that the flights as far as possible give them all the facilities and incentives so that they are not shifted from here to there. Cooperating with us, whatever it could be done, they are trying to do at Demolition. So we have nothing to say. They are cooperating with us.
coming season.
Why we discussed last time कितेंय पळय tourism, इलें कितेंय तरी लोकांक चेंज जालो आसली ती सगळी आतां एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टरान करून घेतला. Things are good. So our next meeting will be in January, so that we'll come to know whatever changes people expect because there are local people who are also looking in the interest of the locals. I am also member of parliament representing South Goa, so we all safeguard the interests of our double airport. 7.6 acres anik ami proposal gala sarkara kode, everything is going on. Then that ani bऱ्या पडटा.
So खंयचे कडेन प्रपोज हे कर
ते सकल लँड आहा तिका सकल कुमदादीची तें सरकाराक मागिला.
But present जे ready parking premises are dead operational केन्ना अशी जातली
कितें
बिल्डिंग बांदून दवरल्या सर पळय ती पार्किंगाक लागून ती अजून ऑपरेशनूच जावना.
सी थोडे ऑपरेशनल जातोल तें आनी थोडे दे वील यूज फॉर समथींग एल्स. दॅट पॉयंट वी हॅड डिस्कस जातलें बिफोर द सीजन some improvement will be there. And we told the police to cooperate and सगळें करपाक. And also we have asked our Inga police for the airport to cooperate with them whenever they need. So both of them will discuss, both the agencies, and try to do things better. Yesterday I visited the site and it is quite a big plot. See, I was telling them, why you people didn't approach us? I am your member of parliament. Before demolishing, you could have approached. So I'm Sangla. Only bad thing about the government is they should not have demolished during rains. They could have waited. I think that's why the Kotan, I think, was given verdict in 17. Then now recently they have done. Before that, they could have come and met us. I could have spoken to the president of the Kumnidai. But one thing I want to tell the people, and even the Kumnad people, this 40 years back they say it was built. I don't think that the Kumnad authorities at that time didn't know. Maybe they had taken money from them. So that's why when a new guy comes, you cannot totally change. You have to go slow and give them a chance because this is anybody's hard-earned money. It is not industry. It is hard-earned money. Prevention is better than cure. Don't allow illegal things to come instead of demolishing them later. Because all these, maybe sometimes, whoever officers and all, they are all involved. They take money from them, allow them to do, then he is either goes retired or he is goes somewhere transferred, but then they suffer. This I've been telling even all government agencies.
There is an Airport Advisory Committee meeting under the chairmanship of our respected MP, South Goa. He has taken a review of all the points which generally Airport Advisory Committee discusses to improve the image of the airport or the facilities at airport. So we have discussed about the facilities required there, and most of the points what we have discussed in the last meeting we have already attended, and we are ready to receive the more number of flights at Demolition.
So coming season के लिए भी तैयारी हो चुकी है.
Yes, we are ready.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.